Good morning and welcome to Live Sunrise Yoga. This is listening to nature. Bow the head, bring the hands to heart, thumbs over the sternum. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the nose with the mouth closed. Take a moment right now to listen to the sound of nature around you. If you're not in nature, listen to the birds chirping through the video. Enjoy the peace of the body. Now is the time to connect to breath. We connect to breath. Breathing in, lifting the chest. Breathing out, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the knees, relaxing the body. Inhale. Bring the chin up. Look at the camera. Hi. Welcome. There is a musical sound that the body creates. The sound that connects us to nature, that connects us to one another, that connects us to the positivity inside of us, reaching the positivity outside of us all around. That sound is ah, oh, When we breathe that sound, hold one hand over the heart, one hand over the abdominal. We're connecting our palms to ourselves. We're connecting our body through the palm chakras, those energy wheels. All of our organs are connected through our hands and our feet. When we bring that into the body and touch our body with our hands, we're hugging our body. We're telling our body, it's time to take time out for you. Bow the head, ah, oh, with the tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Inhale, exhale. Now take a moment to listen to the breath inside the body. Listen to the sound connecting through our hands. Now internalizing, connecting the sound to our body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hands to heart in an Anjali Mudra, spiritual hand gesture. Thumbs pressed over the sternum. Bow the head. Namaste. Whew, that feels good. Warm up the fingers, piano hands. So we want to get nice and lubricated. Motion is lotion. If we have any crankiness in the wrists and the hands. For that texting, for that typing at our job. Wonderful. Shake the hands out. Place right hand on top of the shoulders, left hand on top of the shoulders. Breathe in, bring the elbows forward and up. And when the elbows fall back and down the back, we breathe out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Follow the motion of the elbows. Breathing in, reaching up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Bring that smile to the face. Open up that tension in the jaw. Exhale down. Breathe in up. Exhale down with the elbows and go backwards. Inhale up. Exhale down with the elbows and go backwards. 2 more. In up. Exhale down. In up. Exhale down. Lift the chin like we're grinning real nice and wide. Good. The medial and the lateral pterygoid muscles open up. It releases the stress in our skull. So when we have our mouth open, but with our lips closed, see the difference? It automatically lifts up and releases the tension. Our shoulders drop. We feel so much better. So when we're breathing in, lifting up, smiling through a pose, we feel that energy, that let go feeling of peace flowing in the body. Breathe in, there's tension. Breathe out, oh, there's relaxation. Straighten out the legs. Shake the legs off. Take the right foot, bring it in. Left foot on the outside of the right. In some bodies, this is not possible, so just leave the left foot forward. Bring the left toes towards the knee. Take the right hand, place it behind the back. When you place it behind the back, spread the fingers wide and bring it right next to the back. With the hand and the arm hyperextended behind the back, breathe in, open the left hand, spread the fingers wide, all the way towards, twist towards the left. Breathe in, lift the chest, lift the shoulders, breathe out, relax the shoulders. Breathe in, twist, lift up, breathe out, down. Inhale, lift, twist, breathe out, down. I'm going to bend my left foot on the outside of my right knee. This is the second variation. Breathe in, twist, breathe out, down. Breathe in, open up, lift, breathe out, relax the shoulders, down, but we're still going into the twist. Exhale, back to center. So 2 with the leg straight and 2 with the leg bent. Straighten out the leg again. Take the right leg from underneath the left. Straighten out the right leg. Oh, that feels good. Shake it out. Good. The left leg comes in and the left foot is underneath the right thigh. Right toes towards the right knee. Relax that down. Left hand, place it behind the back. Hyperextend the elbow. Spread the fingers wide on the mat to keep a nice stabilized so we don't wobble around. It's a nice stable stance when we're in a twisted detoxifying position. Breathe in, open up the right hand. Inhale, inhale, all the way back. Look at the right hand. Exhale, drop the right shoulders. Good. Breathe in, lift the chest. Breathe out, drop the shoulders, but keep into the twist. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale all the way back to center. Right foot on the outside of the left knee. Come into the twist, second variation. Make sure that left arm hugs the body. Breathe in, twist, open up. Inhale. Exhale through the nose with the mouth closed, but the jaw is separated. Good job. Breathe in. Breathe out. Make sure the sit bones are on the surface, so looks like mine wasn't. Let me go get mine back down there. Let's try that again. Breathe in, up, open. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, open. Breathe out, relax. All the way back to center. Breathing out. Come into cross-legged positions if you can. Opening up the obliques is important. It stretches and opens up the lungs. Place the left hand on the right thigh. Right hand to the sky. Breathe in, lift up, spread the fingers wide. Palm is facing towards the left side. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, bend left ear to left shoulder. Open it up, bend. Make sure both knees are coming down on the outward breath and our sit bones are firmly on the surface of the earth. Bring that smile to the face with the mouth closed, breathing in and out through the nose. Breathe in, reach. Breathe out, relax the shoulder, relax the hip. Arm and ear together as much as possible, mouth closed, in and out through the nose. Feel the pose. Exhale, come up, sitting nice and slow. Right hand, left thigh. Left hand to the sky, spread the fingers wide. Left hand facing the right side. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bend. Right ear to right shoulder, alignment with the left ear, left hand. Close the eyes for internal focus. Bring those knees to the surface of the earth as much as possible. Inhale, reach. Exhale, drop and bend. Opening up that left hip. Inhale, reach. Exhale, drop and bend. Keep in alignment with that elbow. Inhale, reach. Feel the pose, drop and bend. Breathe in. Breathe out. Next inhale, slowly come up. And let the arm go. Boy, did that feel good. Toning up the abdominals is important for the body. Straighten out the legs. Knees up, feet are flat on the surface. Bring the hands behind you. Spread the fingers wide. Connecting the palm chakras to earth. Breathe in, lift. Lift up with the hips. Back with the head. Make sure the hands are underneath the shoulders as much as possible. If you can, if it feels more comfortable with them, with the arms being out and the arms hyperextended, then that's up to you. You want to feel comfortable and feel the strength in the pose as well. Breathe in, lift up, hips towards the sky, chin towards the sky, chest towards the sky. Breathe in through the shakiness, out, come down. Let's flow with it. We're going for 7 more times. You can do it. Bring that smile. Inhale up. Exhale down. I'm going to adjust my hands in. It's going to feel more comfortable. I feel more strength building in my arms. Breathe in up. Abdomen towards the sky as much as possible, squeezing in the glutes. Down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Building the strength in the arms, the abdominal. Breathe in up. The chest, the hips. This helps build the strength in the lower back, the lower lumbar. Inhale up, reach. Exhale down. Chin into the chest when we come down. Inhale up, reach. Exhale down. Inhale up, reach. Exhale down. 3 more to go. Breathe in up. Hold for a second. Down. Release. Inhale up. Reach. Hold for a second. Down. Release. One more time. Breathe in up. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down. Release. Come back with the sit bones. On the mat, on the blanket, on your bed. Stay in bed if you need to. Feet together. Wrap the hands around the feet. Bound angle. Walk the sit bones back so the fleshy part is on the mat, on the blanket. Breathe in, lift the chest up, chin towards the sky. Breathe out, drop the elbows in as we breathe out and we bend forward as much as possible. Allow the elbows to drop. Allow the chin to come into the chest, opening up the tightness in the back of the skull. Inhale, exhale. Now for the next 7 inhales and exhales, listen to the nature. Listen to the music of the nature around you. Allow the body to naturally fall forward on the exhale breath. Shoulders relaxed. On the next inhale breath, slowly come up. Open the eyes. Oh, that felt good. Straighten out the legs. Shake them off a little bit. Good. Cross the legs. Roll over into the top until we're on all fours, into a tabletop position. Coming down into puppy. Forearms on the surface of the yoga mat. Spread the fingers wide, connecting to earth. Tuck the toes under. Forehead to mat. Derriere in the air. Breathe in, breathe out. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the lower lumbar area. Inhale, exhale. Connect to the sound of nature around you. Slowly come up, using the forearms, using the arms, coming back. Up on all fours. Take the right hand and lace it through the left. Bring the right ear to the yoga mat. Left hand to the sky. Opening up, bringing that smile. Close the eyes. Inhale and exhale. Connecting and listening to the sound of nature. That natural flow inside the body. Whew, yeah. Exhale. Come down with the left palm to the mat. Slowly rise the head and come up on all fours. Other side. Left hand laces through the right. Left ear to the yoga mat. Relax the neck. Left hand, left palm facing towards the sky. Open up. Right palm facing right side. Close the eyes. The toes tucked underneath us are stabilizing our position. When your position is stabilized, breathe in, open up that right arm. Breathe out, relax that left ear to the yoga mat, the yoga blanket. Inhale and exhale. Bring that smile to the face. This feels good in the lower lumbar area, and we're building strength in the upper thoracic middle part of our back, as well as the arms. Feel the sound of nature around you. Slowly in the next exhale breath, bring down the right hand. Come up on all fours again. Roll over into the left side. Keep in the windshield wiper position. Cup the hands. Place them in the lap. Bring the thumbs together. This is another spiritual hand gesture of connecting the good energy to the body. And what this spiritual hand gesture, this mudra, does is it tunes us into the sound flowing inside of our body. It helps our concentration, especially when we close our eyes and we listen to the music. Bring that smile, close the eyes, bow the head. We're just taking a moment, connect to the natural sounds around us. We're just taking a moment with breath to feel release in the body and that peace in the body that nature brings to us. Open the eyes, lift the head, place the hands behind you, and roll over onto the derriere. Come and bring the gluteus maximus to the edge of the yoga mat, but keep the feet flat on the surface. When we come down, use abdominal strength to slowly come down to the surface as much as possible. If you flop down, it's okay. Bring the knees into the chest. Reach the feet towards the sky. Place the palms facing towards you. The toes are coming towards the knee. Breathe in. Reach up with the arms. Breathe out. Bring the shoulders back down to the surface of the earth. Relax the feet. You can bring the knees a little bit into your body. In an inversion, we want to build that immune system. We want that spine to release into the earth. Now, when you're connected in nature, like I'm on basically a nice rocky, actually, a little rocky here. I'm connecting my spine to the nature. I'm allowing my spine to release and connect to earth. When that happens, each vertebra of the spine is breathing and releasing and touching the earth's flat surface. So my vertebra is relaxing. And when your vertebra relax on a flat surface, whether you're at home with the legs up the wall, and when you're in inversion like dead bug like this is, close the eyes, bring the chin into the chest, straighten out the cervical, the top part of the spine, and then bring the head back down. Inhales and exhales. Now, if there's too much shakiness with the legs straight, bring the knees further into the chest and just relax the legs on the ears. You can have the legs together, stabilizing it, or you can have them apart. You decide. Two different variations there. Bring that smile, a nice grin to the face. Loosens up the tension in our skull. Inhales and exhales through the nose. Three more long, slow, deep breaths. Enjoy the breath flowing in the body. Concentrate on the breath flowing up the spine on the inhale and down the spine on the exhale. Open the eyes. Bring the feet together so the bottom of the feet are touching each other. Bring them slowly down to the surface. Breathing, reaching with the palms towards the sky, facing each other, and slowly exhaling, bringing the right palm on top of the heart, the left palm on top of the abdominal. Rest the elbows on the surface of the earth so that the hands are not exactly on the heart and the abdominal. Just bring the elbows and relax them down. Take the Third Eye Meditation Pillow you can purchase right down below, free shipping, United States. Place it over the eyes, chin into the chest, straightening out the cervical again, making sure it's nice and straight. Now in this position, my lower lumbar is kind of, there's that arch in it, and I feel a little bit of crankiness. So if that's your case, bring the knees together so the lower lumbar is flatter on the earth. Knock the knees together, open the feet wide so it's in a relaxed position. You decide, or you can straighten out your knees with a pillow underneath. Take a moment to connect to the natural surroundings around you, listening to the sound of nature. Grin, bringing the creases of the mouth up towards the ears. Now relax the jaw, swallow. Rest the tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Relax the jaw. Exhale out the breath. Relax the shoulders, the hips, the knees, the feet, and the body. Each time in your meditative position, when you want to connect with nature, when you want to connect with the inside of your body, breathe and follow the breath flowing in your body. The mind chatter is going to go, meh, 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 meh. The past and the future. And the key to meditation is concentrating on the breath flowing in the body, like a healing white light, breathing in from the base of my spine to the top of your spine. We breathe out, follow the healing white light down the spine to the sacral area, that flat part. You can even go with the mind's eye all the way down to the coccyx, the tailbone. Breathing in, it flows up the spine. The healing white light is a visualizing technique used with breath, lifting the chest. Now relax everything all the way back down. Concentrate on feeling release in the body, on letting go. connecting to the sound of nature. Breathe in long, strong, and deep, bringing the mind's eye back to the here and now. Bring the feet together if the knees are up in the air, or bring the knees up if the knees are out. Knees up into the chest. Wrap both arms around the knees and rock back and forth, massaging the spine. Roll over with the knees, allowing the dry washcloth or meditation pillow to fall off. So the knees are brought into their chest. We're on our side. The arms are out straight. And we're just relaxing here. On the next breath, use the top hand to lift the body up and straighten the top leg up. And come to a comfortable seated position. Whether it's windshield wipers or cross-legged, place the hands on the knees, closing it out with bandhas and heart. Breathe in, close the eyes. Breathe out, bow forward. Chin comes into the chest. Inhale, lift the chin towards the sky. Bring the torso up. Exhale, bow forward once again. Inhale, this time keep the chin to the chest, bring the torso up. Roll the shoulders back. Squeeze in the urinary muscle, Mula Bandha, the abdominal muscle, Uddiyana Bandha. Jalandhara Bandha is locked with the chin coming into the chest. Together it's held in Maha Bandha in an outward breath retention called Kumbhaka. We breathe the air all the way out. We hold in our locks. Breathe out. Hold, urinary, abdominal, chin into the chest. 3. Release. Whew, that felt pretty good. To unleash the energy throughout the week until we see each other again next time is fire breath. Anytime we want to gain that energy, we create fire breath. With the hands cupped into the lap, thumbs together. Fire breath, Kumbhala body breath, is rapid concessions through the nose. We inhale strong, lifting the chest nice and long and deep, like we're filling up a balloon in our body. We're filling up all the air in our body. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, quarter of a way, rapid concessions through the nose, 33 breaths, go. Inhale strong, exhale. Woo, Athena, you're going to go, woo, 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 woo. I feel lightheaded. Breathe in strong again. Breathe out. Your mind's eye will come together and you come refocused into each other. Energies, too much energy in the body makes us lightheaded. You're all right. Closing it out with heart. Place the hands over the heart. Close the eyes and bow the head. Repeat after me. I feel more in tune with nature right now than ever before. And so it is. I am the light. The light I am. Place the hands over the heart. Feeling the hands over the heart and the vibration of Ah-Om closing it out. This vibration not only tunes us to the sound of nature, but it also tunes us to the positivity inside of us. If we want anything positive to happen outside of us, monies, finance, career, we tune that in through Ah-Om. You can go on YouTube and find meditations of sound. It is absolutely beautiful sound to meditate to and it keeps you in that positive concentration and that mind chatter away. We will sing it 3 times like we did before, closing it out. When we close out the session, it's like we're building a house and we're completing it. We start from the beginning and we end and we bring it all together. It is complete. Our body is complete in closing out. Connection to nature, the sound connecting to nature. Breathe in, lift the chest, tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Go. Hands to heart and Anjali Mudra, thumbs to the breastbone, bow the head. Namaste. Whew, yoga, living life, loving it to the fullest. Go on to our YouTube video, Live Sunrise Beach Yoga. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you so much for sharing us with your friends, with your family, for liking us. And please leave comments of videos that you would like us to do to help your body out. We take that to heart and we do that for you. Yoga, living life, loving it. This is an SIFSG Productions. Smile, it feels so good Productions. Thank you for liking our page.